Today we're going to cover the drywall drawing tools that you have the capability to use. Now you'll notice that you do still have your area, you do have your deduct tool, you have your rectangle and your rectangle deduct. So with area you can draw in whatever kind of style of shapes that you want out there. So in this case we'll draw something similar to a trapezoid. And then if you wanted to draw a quick square or rectangle, you could use the rectangle tool. The deduct is going to allow you to draw specific deducted shapes. So you can draw something kind of like this little shape here on the screen. Or if you wanted to draw just a simple rectangle deduct, you can choose the rectangle deduct tool as an option as well. The other capabilities that you do have a circle. So with the circle, you would ultimately draw, let's just kind of copy this little circle here. So you would draw the diameter first, and then you would try to hit one of those points on the radius. If that was a perfect circle, that's how it would be displayed. The next tool that you have the ability to use here is the sprinkler cutout. Now you are only going to get these icons here if you, in the count tab in the condition properties, you turn those on. If you don't have those on, you shouldn't see those icons. But again, these are just count tools. Simply click on the tool and go place it where you need it on your takeoff, and it'll be there for you as that labor line. And then the final tool you have is your track tool. So ultimately you can click on your track and you can draw that track wherever you need it. If you wanted to go ahead and change the color, you can change the color through the drawing tab in the condition properties, or you can change it right here up at the top. If we were to look at a partition condition, something a little bit different, in this case, we have our segmented line, so that's going to be a start and stop line. We have our continuous line, which basically means that I can draw all the way around and it's not going to stop until I tell the program to stop by clicking enter or right clicking in shape. The other tool we have is the rectangle, so if we quickly wanted to add the rectangle in, we do have that capability as well. Continuing down, and you have Doorbox studs. Now you're only going to get the following icons if you have the tabs turned on in the condition properties. But ultimately, this is coming from the count tab in the condition properties, your Doorbox studs as well as your corner. If you were to turn those on, you simply click on that icon, place it where the Doorbox is going to be going, and for your corner beads, go ahead and do the same thing. Choose where those corner beads are going to get placed, and now you're good to go. If you have any additional questions as it pertains to the drawing tools for the drywall partition condition and drywall area condition, please reach out to our tech team and they'd be happy to assist you in any way they can. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.